Welcome to the Keyboard Deck Function Room, the place to find a quick guide on how to play keys to popular songs. Today, and in plenty of time for the festive season, This Christmas by the American soul artist Donny Hathaway. The song was written by Donny Hathaway and Nadine McKenna and was released as a single in 1970. Since then, the song has been covered by numerous artists and has gradually become to be seen as one of the coolest Christmas songs out there. On the recording, Donny is playing a Wurlitzer electric piano. The song is in the key of F major. A basic chord sheet will be in the description box as usual. Please remember to like, share and subscribe if you're finding these videos helpful, and hit the notification bell if you want instant notifications of uploads. Okay, so here's an example of how I might play it.